The pressure switch allows you to turn the air compressor on and off, turns the motor on and off at set pressures, and has an unloader valve to drain the pressure out of the exhaust tube when the compressor turns off. Common problems with the pressure switch are burnt contacts, a worn-out pressure spring, or damage from an accident such as something falling on it. Replacing the pressure switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your air compressor, you'll want to make sure it's unplugged and that you've drained the air out of the tanks. I'll begin by removing the cover from the pressure switch. Next, I'll note the location of each of the wires and then go ahead and remove them. Now I'll compress the strain reliefs and remove each of the cords. I compress the release on the strain relief, rotate it, and then pull it away from the pressure switch. Now I'll remove the tube from the unloader valve. And now I can remove the pressure switch from the tank. Now I'll install the new pressure switch. First, I'll remove the cover. Then I'll apply thread tape to the nipple that attaches to the tank. Now I can thread the pressure switch into the tank. I'll tighten it up so the unloader valve is on the underside of the pressure switch when I'm finished. I'll reattach the tube to the unloader valve. And I'll reinstall the cords to the pressure switch. And I'll reinstall each of the wires. With the wires installed, I'll tuck them into place and reinstall the cover.